Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Bambu Lab P2S and the AMS2 Pro. The P2S, equipped with an AMS2 Pro or AMS HT, can do filament drying. Unlike the H2 series, the P2 series does not have enough power to run the filament drying and the printer at the same time. If you are drying and send a print, the P2 will inform you that it cannot complete the job without the help of an AC adapter. We'll go see what that looks like. First, let's start the heat on the P2S. Touch the filament icon, touch the tool icon, touch AMS drying, insert your parameters, and touch start. Do not check rotate spool while drying, and press start. You will hear multiple clicks, then the fan of the heating element running. Your P2S is now drying. Should you attempt to initiate a print, you will get the lack of power error. Let's see what that looks like. Here I am in Bambu Studio. My P2S is drying and I am going to send this print. Failed to start print job. Due to power limits, printing or calibration cannot run during AMS drying. Stop drying or connect a power adapter to continue. Right now we have the choice to either connect the Bambu Lab AC adapter to the AMS Pro or click this button to stop drying and print without drying. If you press the X, the print will be canceled. Now, let's plug the AC adapter into the AMS2 Pro. With the AC adapter installed, please power cycle the machine for the P2S to detect the AC adapter. That is, turn it off and turn it back on. With the AC adapter installed, let's start the heating again. Now, let's return to Bambu Studio and send the print. This time, no complaint from Bambu Studio. With the AC adapter connected, the P2S is now happily drying while printing. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.